I ain't gonna lie. You that little toe tap on that bitch.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
okay.
That nigga going crazy. Hey, that nigga.
Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. My ankle hurts so bad, but hey, we out here trying to get it done. I don't know what he's trying to do. He tried though. Almost. Okay. He tried though. It will let you.
Flip and then it grab.
I see that. Let's see.
It'll slip. I can use it like the vehicle stuck mode, but that's it. Traction control, you can't really turn it off.
Yeah.
And then it slipped, yeah.
That shit's cool though. It was almost there though. Shit, I'm like, oh yeah, he's gonna do it.
You know, the model that lets you do it completely is the plaid, because it got like a drift mode.
Yeah.
This ain't got it.
Take that shit off. Like, traction control off. Oh shit.
Buy the upper model so you can play around with it.
Play around that hoe. Yeah, we out here, man. Fuck, man. I'm a little sun out here. Damn, my ankle hurts so bad right now. Yeah, I'm out here finna slide this bitch real quick. See if I can still got my hands real quick. I just don't feel like going to the street. At least I got this right here. They was doing fireworks or something. Ooh, shit. I'm a little son with me. Since he never been in the car doing donuts, he like, oh, what you look at? How it feel? Yeah, man. So I told him, man, come on, let's go slide a little bit. Let me show you what we could do. So I brought him out. So yeah, man, we out here. I'm gonna go do this. Sorry to talk your ear off, but I have to let y'all know what we got going on for today. You feel me? We got that action. So let's go, man. I got them. Somebody gonna hold my phone, my phone. And I'm gonna do the drone too. So give me a second. My guy out here as well. You feel me? Long time. You feel me? But we here, man. We can just go ahead and get it going. My brother, he gonna go ahead and he got the electric skate. Man, everything's electric. Everything's got electric. Electric skateboard.
Too bad you probably can't try the skateboard.
It probably could.
If I get the right amount.
Hey, I was thinking about putting
Look.
the subwoofer in the trunk. Being there.
Yeah, dude. See?
You see where we at? We got the gimbal cam. You go around the pit. Yeah. All right, go around.
I'm tired.
Fans came on.
Hello.
I don't think I ran like that.
You stupid.
I don't run, nigga. What the fuck you mean?
Yeah, I got put in second gear. I put like, it's too much, it's a lot of power.
Here running with pins and rods in my knuckles and in my knees and in my hip. I'm over here running.
You see your fans is on. Hell yeah, it don't never be on. It's on today though.
They came on hot.
Yes sir, man. We're here.
You know,
I'm just enjoying.
The cameraman, still the cameraman.
We out here, man. So I have fun, man.
My shit still on? Up.
I got hands. I go both ways. I go both ways. It don't matter. I got both ways. Can y'all do both ways?
No, I'm straight.
Y'all know, right? That. You know what I'm saying? You gotta slide both ways, man. We gotta go, but man, we here, man. Hey, every time I hold on the shifter, I keep putting, the slap shifter, I keep putting in drive. I'm like, damn. Because when it whips hard. Yes, sir, man. Well, you see the tattoo on the payment. I enjoyed it, man. Let's go. See what happened on the video. So I hit the curb because the wheel was hopping. As y'all can see, I'm sure y'all. The wheel was hopping. I tried to gas it, it wouldn't let me gas it so I could turn around. So I just hit the curb, whatever. All I did was pop the tire, so I can go get it changed right now, which is nothing. Like I said, man. Yeah, motherfucker, independent suspension, man. I was trying to gas it right here, cause I always gas it. When you know you about to, when you want to turn around, that's what I was trying to do. I know what I was doing. It wouldn't do it for some reason. But I need to put more air in the tire because it's gripping. Put like 50, 60 pounds in there so it'd be lighter. I mean, not lighter, less tread on the compound. That makes sense. All right, so it can slide faster and easier, whatever. Oh, my ankle hurt right now. But man, we out here, me and my son, my brother. We out here, you know. My other brother, we go get my tire running. Well, let's go get the jack and shit so we can jack this rim up. So, man, we out here at the pit, man. Yeah, man. We just out here, man. We just out here enjoying life, and you know, shoot, bringing the new year right. That's all. You know, it's been a long time since I've been with my son as well. You know, it's a long story with that. I ain't gonna talk your ear off. But like I said, it's a long story with that. So you know, but yeah, man, shit. Daddy's here with me. You know, very excited so I can show him what his pops do, what he, you know, what he's capable of doing, and shit like that. Working with me, you know, to show him what he missed out, pretty much. So yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Elementary for sure. Elementary
and all that shit. Yeah, you little motherfucker. So I'm like, damn, you seen this son though. That's
yeah, man. It's a long story. I was telling my subscribers, man, too, man. Like, it's a long story with that. You know what I mean? But I'm glad that he's here. He learned what he can see what his pops do, and you know, go from there. It's the only thing we can't do is what? Go up, right? Because ain't nothing can hold him back. Ain't nobody can't hold him back. Not even my mama.
I gotta give me a GM. I gotta give me go ahead and
You just took the motor out. Yeah, I'm still recording. I'm on Instagram. I'm on my YouTube thing right now, so I'm just recording. I can edit all this out, so don't worry about it. Yeah, I know you good. Shit, no, I can edit all that shit out, man. Just tell me what you don't want me to put on there. Okay. Got you. So this guard at y'all. No GTO in the picture. But man, we out here though. 5'3".
Got that booster for you though.
Yeah, you heard him. This the guy that work at the super shop. I'm gonna put his IG up there as well. But yeah, man, we was out here at the event the other day. That was my last video, y'all, that y'all seen that I should be putting up right now. So if y'all catch this video, make sure y'all go back and go check that video. It's about super bikes. It's SoCal super bikes, okay? So make sure y'all go check that video out. You feel me? And yeah, we here, man.
Johnny Law 937. Everybody hates Johnny Law.
There you go, not Johnny Law 937 is IG.
You can't forget that.
So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. So my son over here. Okay, we got the kicks on. Okay, I see you. You got this little swag. He over there. You know what I'm saying? He over there matching and shit. What's that old word? Coordinate. He over there coordinating. You know what I'm saying? With the hat to the shoes. Stop playing. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. He's just tired, man. And go back and try, hopefully. I don't know. I'm gonna show you everything inside and out. My son got the inside video as well, so I'm gonna probably get the video in that. So you see how I reacted when I crashed and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? We don't go do this raw, uncut. I ain't cutting nothing out. You know what I'm saying? Besides his part. Yeah, his part. But other than that, nothing gonna be cut out. I promise you. My crashes, my fuck ups, I don't care. Why? Because I'm gonna learn from my mistakes. You know what I'm saying? You don't see what I learned from my mistakes. Stop shit like that. So make sure you share, like, subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye. From the back seat, I'm recording. Have never been done before. Out here in Compton. You learning?
You learning?
Yeah. Yeah. So you're yeah. Alright.
She recording too. We finna turn on Willowbrook.
You got called dentist, let them know that we'll be like 20 minutes away.
Hey, what's your nice Instagram?
Y'all see y'all, man, LA shit. They out here riding and comping as a team, you feel me? Riding as a team like they should. Yes sir, yes sir.
Hey, that nigga went crazy with that.
Hey, man, so that
That shit was hard, I ain't gonna lie. You that little toe tap on that bitch.
oh yeah,
Hey,
okay.
that nigga going crazy. Hey, that nigga acted a fool with that.
Call that a high chair, nigga.
That shit's crazy.
Yes sir, man.
Police.
They don't care. I don't care either.
Ain't this photo enforced? Yep, it is.
Alright, catch y'all later.
Look at this bitch.
You stupid.
You got a bad.
We out here, man. We out here, man. Shit. We out here. Old faces, new faces. You feel me? And my guy out here as well, you feel me? Long time, you feel me? But we here, man, with the 55 edition.
Keep it up, hold on. Keep it up like a basketball.
Yeah, man, we here, bro. Yeah, I'm up here, bro. I'm just sliding. Nigga, been up for a couple hours sliding, having fun with the drone action, hitting curves, all kind of shit. Man, we here. I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, everything's off. It's
This show, I be getting enduro shit, nigga. That shit go.
Shit fun.
But here's the fifth gen. I'm telling you,
That's that shit. It's just.
You can feel it more. This is like the wheel spin, but you can't really feel that nigga.
All that. Yeah.
That's open out there. They got open still like a motherfucker too. Gonna do some camera adjustments.
What's that camera? We out here, man.
Life inflation, that's why I wasn't letting me out. This shit costs $60.
Right.